Welcome you all here Alpona for Annie 24. Silchar Akhanda Mondoli arranged a unique cultural program of Sarupananda Sangit along with a Kavita Lekha titled Tumar Andolone Tumi Onunnu. In the evening of 4th May, many special invitee artists of Sarupananda Sangit participated in both solo and group performances at the Ajachak Ashram located on Radha Madhav Road, Silchar. The script written and directed by Navendu Nath was staged by artists Simapur Kaiso, Ritika Dash, Rajoshi Dotto and Arpita Nath. The selected points, along with important Bani of Swami Sarupananda Paramhansadev, made the presentation highly enjoyable for the audience. Invited singers from Silchar, Kalyani Dam, Shushmita Hom Chaudhuri, Shimapur Kasto, Pushpanjali Dash, Aporna Buddha, Kalyani Nath and Mili Dev, along with other members of the Silchar Mohila Akhanda Sangeton, made the program lively and engaging. Archana Roy led the group song segment on the dais. The program began with the Prem Dhoni Akhanda Samhita part, followed by a performance by two child artists Arpita Roy and Nirmala Goswami. Apart from the local artists, two performers from West Bengal, Polash Kopali and Dr. Ananda Kamal Brahmachari from Guru Dham, concluded the beautiful event with their unique presentations. For more news and updates, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe our channel Annie 24.